debugging's one of the usually the first subjects. It's one of the hardest ones though for programmers because it's finding mistakes. And you know, if you're a writer, and I know you guys all are because you do it in class every day, it's really hard sometimes to find the mistakes you make. Sometimes it's really easy to find mistakes in other people's stuff. That's why it's always good to have a friend or teacher or somebody look it over your stuff. But it's really important as you move on in life, even if you're a writer or a programmer or anything, to start to look and find your own mistakes after you make them. It's really easy to miss something the first time, but when you're trying out your game or you're trying out your program, you say, this doesn't work quite right, so I need to go back and find out what I did wrong. It's called debugging. Probably because in the old days they found bugs in their computers and made the computer stop working. And so they had to get those bugs out. And they called it debugging, getting them out. So now it's getting those problems out of our programs, or our algorithms. So we see here when we run it on level 8 here, that he only gets 2 of the 3 gems. So I already see a problem here. They are looping the same thing over and over again, right? So let's get rid of these blue blocks because they obviously don't belong. Gray blocks are usually a hint that the code needs to be there. And we're going to put a loop around this. And if we reset, we can count those gems. There's 1, 2, 3. So we'll record those 3, collect those 3 gems, and now it should work. 1, 2, 3. Much happier now. And that's all we're going to need to do on this level. They'll probably already have a program there that doesn't work. So you'll just need to find the mistake, or 1 mistake or 2 mistakes. It could be a bigger mistake that the person made. You don't have to erase all the code that's there. You just have to find the error. That's a mistake I often see students make. If you make a mistake, you don't throw everything away. If you make a spelling mistake on your paper that's 3 pages long, you don't throw the whole thing away and start over, do you? You just erase it and that one thing and fix it. So try to do the same thing here. See, this one has a problem too. Similar kind of thing. Definitely missing a turn in there somewhere too. So good luck on this level. Please let me know if you have any problems. And happy to